Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert Obsidian nodes to Word. So we will go through how you can do that just with one click, which I think is when you set everything really simple. You don't need any basically um, workaround from PDF to Word afterward. So as I showed you in previous video here, if you go to these vertical three dots, you can export to PDF, but then you need to convert it to Word document. Now, if we go here, so go to the settings here at the bottom left corner where you see this gear icon, to the settings, then community plugins here in this left menu, and then we will go here to browse, and we will search for doc exporter, so this one here, and click install. Enable. Okay, now the next thing is what we need to do is we will open the command palette. So the shortcut is Ctrl P on Windows and CMD P on Mac. So Ctrl P, it will open this command palette here. And now what we can type in, export current node to docx, and press enter. So starting doc export, the plugin compiles your list, links, headers, and local images, saving a clean doc file right next to your original Markdown file. So if we go now to the file where this project you have saved, so I have it right here. And if I go, as you can see, I have in Technology Radar. If I go down here, as you can see, we have one doc file over here. And as you can see, it's right here, now in doc file. So when you set up this, it's pretty simple and pretty fast. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next